This is a video for how to go about creating a custom-sized drawing sheet in Autodesk Fusion. You will notice on the screen I have a basic model created in Autodesk Fusion, and that model was created from a video on my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel has a playlist called 20 ISOs. And in the 20 ISOs playlist that you see on the screen, I go through how to make 20 different isometric blocks or components in Autodesk Fusion, and then I show how to go about creating drawings and full dimensions, line types, all different types of things within drawing sheets. And I do those on standard 8.5 by 11 size sheets. Now in this video, I'm going to show how to create a custom size sheet. And so in order to do that, I'm just going to bring our ISO to the middle of the screen. I'm going to go up to design and go down to drawing, and I'm going to go to from design. And when this shows up, we're going to be in manual. We're not going to be in an automatic type setting. We want to make sure that we are in manual. We're going to, for the drawing, it's going to be create new. We're just going to stay in a standard ASME size, or standards for the sheet we're going to do. Units, we're going to stay in inches. Just for this video, we're not going to do any dimensioning. And then when we go to sheet size, we're going to click on A and go down to custom. And you'll see you get different width and height options. And I'm going to highlight the 11 here, and I'm going to go 24 wide by 4 tall. So that's 24 inches wide by 4 inches tall. Now we can do different things with spaces and zones if you want to. That kind of comes around to what the border on the title block looks like. But we're not really going to need a title block for what we're going to just kind of set up. So we're just going to go ahead and say OK. And when we say OK, you're going to see I have this really, really wide sheet. And I'm just going to place a view here, and I'm going to go ahead and just scale that up, and I'm just going to go to like a half size. Now that's totally and completely up to you what scale you want to use. Just for the sake of the video, I'm just going for a half. I'm going to kind of drag that in here a little bit. Now let's just say you needed a certain size drawing sheet in Fusion because you're going to do some laser cutting, or you're going to be exporting a PDF just for any other type of application for fabricating anything that you would want to do. So in order for us to get rid of the title block and the border, we're going to go up to sheet settings and turn off the eyeball for the sheet size, and turn off the eyeball for title block. And you'll notice now we have nothing around the outside that we really don't want. So however we want to go out placing different views on the object, we can go back up to base view, and I can come in here and place another view in here. That's a way to go about placing multiple views. If I wanted to say okay here, and then if for some reason you wanted the side view with it, I can just go ahead and click, and I can project some views onto here. And that's the benefit of the custom size drawing sheet, because maybe you're printing in a plotter and you have a very, very specific size piece of paper. You can go in and create that size piece of paper in here and then print right out of Fusion. Now, if you are doing anything, like I said, laser cutting or something else, you can go right up here to export PDF, and where it says all sheets, I only have one sheet in this specific drawing that we're making. I don't necessarily need it to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat or something like that. And I'm going to just go ahead and keep the line weights here, and I'm going to say okay, and then this would come up and say, where do you want to save this? And so you would just go right in. Remember where you saved it. Down here is for on my C drive. It kind of shows where I would have something saved. I'm just going to go ahead and say cancel right here. So this video is just showing how you can go about creating multiple size drawing sheets in Autodesk Fusion. So this has been a video for how to go about creating a custom size sheet from any component you might have made in Fusion, in Autodesk Fusion.